Adrian Holt was born in a quaint village surrounded by rolling hills and endless skies. From an early age, he was fascinated by invention and dreamed of creating machines that could transform the world. His brilliance was undeniable, and by the age of 30, Adrian had become a celebrated inventor, admired for his groundbreaking technologies. With success, however, came obsession. Adrian became consumed by his ambition to leave behind a legacy. He began neglecting his relationships, spending countless nights in his workshop, striving to outdo his past achievements. In his pursuit of greatness, he pushed his workers beyond their limits and dismissed those who questioned his methods. His most ambitious project, a machine designed to harness endless energy, captured the world's attention. But in his haste to complete it, Adrian ignored safety protocols and expert warnings. The unveiling of his invention turned disastrous when the machine malfunctioned, causing a massive explosion that injured many and destroyed his reputation. Adrian fled the city in disgrace, retreating to the hills of his childhood. There he wrestled with guilt and despair, haunted by the consequences of his pride and recklessness. Months passed before an old friend visited and offered him words of encouragement. Even the greatest minds stumble. What matters is how you rise after the fall. Inspired, Adrian resolved to make amends. He used his skills to build tools for farmers and craftsmen in his village, helping them improve their livelihoods. He also mentored young inventors, teaching them not only the art of creation, but also the importance of humility and responsibility. Years later, Adrian Holt was no longer remembered as the reckless inventor who fell from grace, but as the wise craftsman who uplifted his community. His legacy was not the machine that failed, but the lives he touched through his redemption. Remember, true greatness is not measured by how high you rise, but by how gracefully you rise after a fall. Redemption is always possible for those who embrace humility and choose to rebuild with purpose. Failure is not the end of the road, but a chance to pave a better path. When we use our gifts to serve others, we transform our setbacks into stepping stones for a greater legacy. Though he fall, he shall not be cast headlong, for the Lord upholds his hand. Psalm 37:24. ESV. The righteous falls 7 times and rises again, but the wicked stumble in times of calamity. Proverbs 24:16. ESV. Let each of you look not only to his own interests, but also to the interests of others. Philippians 2:4. ESV.